Hi, Sarah here, and I just wanted to talk to you about breathing today because I know a lot of people get confused about the breathing, particularly in Pilates where we go on about it quite a lot, but also in my other classes where we're trying to exhale on exertion. So I just thought I'd show you my working model of a lung, which is a bit Blue Peter, but here we go. So this is your diaphragm, and it starts off in a dome position, and when it's domed you should see that balloon inside, which are the lungs, are deflated. Now as you pull down on the diaphragm, then it pulls air into the lungs, so it's the active phase is actually the breath out as it goes back up. So it's coming down and you're breathing in, and as you breathe out the dome lifts back up and the lungs deflate. So hopefully you can see that, breathing in and breathing out, and again breathing in and breathing out. Now if you imagine underneath it there's the abdomen underneath it, and right at the bottom is the pelvic floor. Now the pelvic floor should be doing exactly what the diaphragm is doing on your breath. So as you breathe in, then the pelvic floor relaxes, and as you breathe out the pelvic floor is lifting. So again you breathe in, pelvic floor relaxes, breathing out, pelvic floor is lifting up. And so it's kind of like a piston movement, both are doing the same thing, which means that everything in the abdomen stays at the same pressure, which means there's less effect on your pelvic floor, less effect on your stomach, and your core is nice and strong to protect you and protect your back when you're doing the hard part of the exercise. So again, on the exertion we're breathing out, so you breathe in to prepare, the pelvic floor drops, and as you breathe out, pelvic floor lifts and that diaphragm is lifting up, so the strong core in the centre. I hope that helps.